Good morning, students. Today I will discuss now few important sums from complex number. Okay, complex number already I did in various type of sums. Now I am doing from long answer type question. So each question carries 6 marks. Question there. Okay, and your syllabus all of the question marks 1, 2, 4 and also 6 also there. Now 6 marks question I am telling. Okay. See, suppose I am writing one sum. Question number 1 write. Suppose a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. How to factorize this one with the help of complex number. Okay. Now all of you know q root of unity 1 omega square. Okay. Now see, and omega plus omega square, all of you know minus 1. So write here a square plus b square plus c square. So this one you can write omega plus omega square of ab. Okay. And here plus omega square of bc plus omega square of ca. Now multiply, see, a square plus b square plus c square plus omega ab plus omega square ab. So this you have multiplied. Okay. Plus omega bc plus omega square bc plus omega ca plus omega square c. Okay. Understood? Now write. So writing a square plus omega ab, this one, plus I am writing a c. So omega square c, right? Omega square ca. Okay. Now the b square c square you can write. Now b square can be b square omega cube and c square also c square omega cube. Okay. So now write b square omega cube plus c square omega cube. Whatever is left, just write here omega square ab. So omega square ab right, plus omega bc plus omega square omega square bc plus omega ca, right? And from this relation you write here, take a common, a plus omega b plus omega square c. Understood? See, take a common, a. So omega b, here omega square c. Understood? So look at here a omega b omega square c. From that side also we write a omega b omega square c. Okay. So you take here again. If we take omega b here, now you take right here omega square c. Okay. A b omega. So write omega square b common. Omega square b. Understood? So right here omega b plus, from here right, this is a plus, okay. Now you can write, see, a omega b omega square c though. Already you wrote, I wrote here a omega b. You can write omega square c. See, here omega square b and omega square c. So it will be omega to the power 4 bc, and omega to the power 4 means omega bc. So this one already done, taken. Okay. Now So we are taking these three are taking. This and this one taken. Okay. And now from here you write 3 is left. So omega c common. Sorry, omega square. You can write here again omega c common. Okay, omega square omega c common. So you write here omega c common. Omega c. So here a. From here, look at here this part. A. Okay. Plus omega c here. Omega b. C omega square bc. Again write here. From here omega square c. This one. These two are taking common. Okay. Now a minus plus omega b plus omega square c. Here also a plus omega b plus omega square c. Look at here. Here also a plus omega b plus omega square c. So first keep in mind your target is there. If a common a omega b omega square c. So each terms there both are same. Keep in mind. The remaining just to adjustment. Okay. Now a plus b omega plus c omega square common. So remaining part a plus omega square b plus omega square c. Now students look at here. Here a keeps no change. B omega here omega square b. And omega square c here omega c. Just omega c and omega b are interchanging. Okay. So b omega square b and c omega square c omega c. So this is the answer. So a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So using factorization you will get a plus b omega plus c omega square, a plus omega square b plus omega c. Okay. All right. Okay. So now next one. See, here is given so x square plus 1 into y square plus 1. Sum of two perfect square find out with the help of complex number. Okay. How to convert into the sum of two perfect square. So look at here. This question number 2. So x square you can write, this will be 1 minus I square you can write, no? See. And y square plus 1 you can write y square minus I square. So x plus I into x minus I. Y plus I into y minus I. Okay? Y plus I, y minus I. Now write x plus I into y plus I and x minus I, y minus I. Now multiply xy plus I into y plus x plus I square. Just these two multiply. Again here xy minus I into y plus x plus I square. I square all of you know minus 1 I square. So write xy minus 1 plus I into x plus y into x is also minus 1 minus 1 minus I into x plus y. Now students, look at here. If we consider this is a, so a plus b, a minus b, so it will be a square minus b square. Okay, a square minus b square. So right, xy minus 1 whole square minus I square x plus y whole square. So right, xy minus 1 whole square plus, so it will be x plus y whole square. See, sum of two square. Understood? Xy minus 1 whole square plus x plus y whole square. This is the answer. Okay? Right. The next one, okay. Next one, suppose omega is the cube root of unity. Okay, omega is the cube root of unity. So then a plus b omega plus c omega square whole cube plus a plus b omega square plus c omega whole cube equal to 27 abc if a plus b plus c equal to 0. Prove that. Question number 3, prove that a plus b omega plus c omega square whole cube plus a plus b omega square plus c omega whole cube equal to 27 abc if a plus b plus c equals 0. Okay. Now write, let a plus b omega plus c omega square, right, x, and a plus b omega square plus c omega, right, y. Okay. So you can write here x cube plus y cube. Okay. So all of the formula x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Now again write x plus y. So this part will be, see I am doing here, x square minus xy plus y square. Look at here, x square minus xy plus y square. So we can write x square plus omega square of xy plus y square omega cube. You can write, see, omega plus omega square. So omega cube root of unity. So you can write here omega plus omega square equal to minus 1. So it will plus xy. So now write multiply x square plus omega xy plus omega square xy plus y square omega cube. Take x common, x plus omega y plus omega square y common. So x plus omega y. So write x plus omega y into x plus omega square y. So you write here x plus y, x plus omega y, x plus omega square y. Okay. Now write. So x square minus xy plus y square, you can write x plus omega y into x plus omega square y. Okay. Now look at here. find out x plus y. First find out x plus y. So write x plus y, you can write the sum of these two. Okay, so it will be twice a plus b, take common omega plus omega square, plus take c common omega plus omega square. If we add x plus y, so twice a, b take common omega plus omega square, c common omega plus omega square. Okay, now twice a minus b, this is minus 1, no? This is also minus c. So we are getting x plus y, look at here, x plus y, we are getting 2a minus b minus c. Okay, and this one, see, x plus omega y again. Okay, x plus omega y. So right, first is the value of x will be a plus b omega c omega square plus omega into y means a plus b omega square plus c omega. Okay, omega y, the value of y, look at here, a plus b omega square plus c omega. Now write, multiply a plus b omega c omega square omega a b omega cube plus c omega square. Now this value, you know, omega being 1. Okay, omega 1. Now write here c omega square, 2c omega square. Okay, now take b common, 1 plus omega 1. Okay, again you take from here, take a common, these two a common 1 plus omega. Now and 2c omega square minus b omega square, this one 1 plus omega means omega square minus omega square minus a omega square. Take omega square common, 2c minus b minus a. Now write x plus omega y, you are getting omega square into 2c minus a minus b. Similar way, from if we do x plus omega square y, so you will get omega into 2b minus a minus c. See, here twice a, here twice c, so it should be always twice b, then minus a minus c, it will be omega. Now omega square and omega cube means 1. Okay, multiply, time wasting. So omega, so this will be 1. The product is omega square. Okay, 1. Now write twice a minus b minus c, twice c minus a minus b, twice b minus a minus c. Okay, now write, you can write twice, you can write thrice a minus b minus c, no? So write thrice a minus b minus c. Similar here, thrice c minus a minus c into thrice b minus a minus b minus c. See, if you take common here minus, then it will be a plus b plus c. No? So thrice a minus take common, a plus b plus c. See, a plus b plus c is given 0. So it will be thrice a. Similar, this is thrice c, thrice b. Okay, so it will be thrice a into thrice b into thrice c. So it will be here it will be 27 ABC proved. See, 27 ABC. Okay. Now you have to all of you copy. Okay. Alright, x plus iy 2 by 3 plus cos theta plus I sin theta. This is given. X plus iy equal to 2 by 3 plus cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay. Then prove that 2 into x square plus y square equal to 3x minus 1. Okay. Okay. 2 into x square plus y square, 3x minus 1. So first find out this part. A plus ib form, that is x plus iy form. Okay. Then you have to compare equality of complex number, equality of real number, real part and imaginary part. Okay. So now this part I am writing. Okay. So x plus iy equal to 2 into 3 plus cos theta minus I sin theta, you can write now, by 3 plus cos theta whole square minus I square sin square theta. Okay. Now 2 3 plus cos theta minus I sin theta. So you can write this one 9 plus 6 cos theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta, I square value minus 1. Okay. Now write 2 into 3 plus cos theta minus 2I sin theta by 9 plus 6 cos theta. This will be 1, no? So write 10 plus 6 cos theta. Okay. So this part you can write. See. So we are getting x plus iy equal to so 2 into 3 plus cos theta by, here take 2 common. Okay. 5 plus 3 cos theta minus 2i sin theta by 2 common 5 plus 3 cos theta. These two cancel. Okay. So if we compare, so x equal to 3 plus cos theta by 5 plus 3 cos theta and y equal to minus sin theta by 5 plus 3 cos theta. Okay. Understood? Now just put the value. Like 2 into just left hand side, right, x square plus y square. So 2 into this is square, so 3 plus cos theta whole square by 5 plus 3 cos theta whole square. Okay. And here y square, that is sin square theta by 5 plus 3 cos theta whole square. Now write 2. So this is 9 plus 6 cos theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta c by 5 plus 3 cos theta whole square. Okay. Achha, this is 1, no, cos square plus sin square 1. Okay. Now, so 2 into here 10 plus 6 cos theta by 5 plus 3 cos theta whole square. Okay, see, 9 cos square sin square 1. So it will be 9 plus 10. 10 plus 6 cos theta. 5 plus 3 cos theta whole square. So now write 2. Take 2 common. So here 5 plus 3 cos theta whole square, here it will be 5 plus 3 cos theta. Okay, so 2 by, this is 4 by 5 plus 3 cos theta. So this is left hand side. This part will be LHS, left hand side. Now look at the right hand side. So right hand side is there 3x. Right hand side 3x minus 1. Okay, just we put here 3 into the value of x, 3 plus cos theta by 5 plus 3 cos theta minus 1. So 9 plus 3 cos theta minus 5 minus 3 cos theta by 5 plus 3 cos theta. Cancel no? So 4 by 5 plus 3 cos theta. Now look at here. Both are same. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay? So you put that left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay, and I will give also experimental maximum solution I can give. Okay, and all of you practice at home. Okay, and next class I will do maybe equation of straight line. Okay, equation of straight line I will discuss. It in a portion equation of straight line is there. Okay, and circles already completed. All of you revise whatever I discussed in the class circle also there. And next equation I will next class I will discuss equation of straight line. I already learned in class ICSE exam, and ICSE exam all of you learn, and we have 3 extremes also there. Okay, that is by angle bisectors. Okay, and perpendicular distance of the straight line, everything is there. I'll discuss. Okay, no problem. And tomorrow result, no, yes. Okay, best of luck all of you, my dear students.